Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program. We're back in the kitchen. Today we're gonna make you a nice, lovely homemade carrot cake, guys. I know you're gonna love the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. It's very important for Chef Ricardo. And I said to you, you're gonna love this recipe because it's coming up to summer where you can bake this cake at home with the kids and enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So basically, I'll give you a short out of some of my ingredients which I have right here. This is some grated carrot, and this is only 3 ounces of carrot. Right over here, I have some plain flour, which this is 8 ounces of plain flour. Right here, I have 3 fresh egg. Basically, I might just use 2.5 of this egg, and I might not use the whole 3 egg. Right here, I have some cinnamon. This cinnamon is 1 teaspoon, and almost 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Right over here, I have a pinch of salt. Right here, I have 7 ounces of vegetable oil. Right here, as you can see, I have 4 ounces of sugar right here. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. This is all of the ingredients which you're gonna use to make your carrot cake at home. So guys, there's a lot more stuff you can put in your carrot cake if you do like to make a carrot cake spicy and taste nice, but we can add more stuff as it goes along. Enjoy the recipe. Basically, guys, as you can see right over here, guys, this is my flour which I have right here. This is the flour, which is 8 ounces of flour. Basically, we're gonna put a pinch of salt straight inside of the flour. 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda straight inside of it like that. Lovely and nice. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon straight inside of it. Use a wooden spoon and a simple combine just together like this. Add in your 4 ounces of sugar. Lovely. We're gonna put in the carrot. That's the last thing which we're gonna put inside of it. Next thing, put in your egg. I'm just gonna use the 3 eggs, guys. And right over here, we're gonna add the oil. Then carrot next. Add the rest of the carrot. This is very easy recipe. Rest of the oil. So as I say, you can do this at home with your kids this summer. Guys, carrot cake is just a basic carrot cake, guys. It's just oil, carrot and flour, little baking powder and some cinnamon, little salt. So it's just a basic recipe to make this lovely carrot cake. And I'm just using my wooden spoon and make it, as you can see, as I make it as it goes along. So guys, as you can see, this is ready now. I don't even have to go any further with it. It's just a basic recipe. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grease my pan. Just like this. Just rub a little bit of grease inside of it. It's a very simple recipe, and I said anyone can do this at home. At the moment, I turn on my oven and I have it on gas mark 3 or 4. If you're using a different kind of oven, 175 degrees is really good for it, or 165, 180 degree is really good for it. For roughly 45 minutes to an hour, you can bake it in the oven and gas mark 6 or 7. If you're using a different kind of oven, as half an hour will be pretty good for it in your oven. So basically, I'm gonna just simply spread this in my baking tray. And this is just a very small baking tray because I don't have one where this would really say fit in a perfect way, guys. So basically, I'm just using what I have at the moment. This is what I have, and this is what I'm using at the moment to bake this simple little carrot cake. Looking lovely and nice. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven for roughly 30 to 45 minutes. Probably might take up to an hour because I got my oven on gas mark 3. So don't put it in on top of your oven, put it in the middle of your oven. So enjoy the recipe and leave your comments when it come out really perfect for you guys. Enjoy it. Bye bye. Nice one. I'll just take it from the oven, guys. As you can see, this is the way how the carrot cake look. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. You can make up some icing if you do like and put on it. Just get some icing and decorate the top of it if you do like icing. But for me, I like it plain like that, and that's the way all the normally have my carrot cake. If you want to have a round tin, you can use a round tin if you do like a small round tin. For me, because I have a big, this little tin right here, I just use this one. But differently, you can use a round tin if you do like for your carrot cake. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy the recipe, and please leave your comments if you like the recipe of this carrot cake. It's amazing to know you can do some simple little things like this at home. Enjoy the recipe. So basically you need to cool it down for roughly one nice good hour, and if you want to make some icing, make some icing. Make yourself a nice lovely icing and put it on top of it. If not, you can sprinkle some icing sugar on top of it. Enjoy the recipe. Bye bye.